All you do, super simple design, has a standard master lock padlock that is completely encased, so it's not easy to cut. It'll drop down the pin that will actually go over the coupler head, push that up into there, lock it into place just by pushing the lock back in, take your key out. Simple, secure, fits on there nice and tight. This is the BT-8BL. This is for your set bolts to lock it into place, make sure nobody can just undo your set bolts, drop your coupler and replace it. You just take out the padlock on it, take this, insert it, either take it out completely or just get it up out of your way. It'll go on. If you have 2 set bolts, it will actually sit onto the top one and just your lower one will sit in there, so you've got lots of range to work onto it. Put your bolt in, put your set bolts on the other side, tighten it up nice and tight against there. Bolt it into place. So with your padlock in there, you insert that back into place, lock the padlock in, cannot access it at all, and it's good to go. Then whenever you're hauling the trailer, you've got it all hooked up, your coupler head lock will actually slip right over that and lock into place for storage. So it's always right where you need it to be.